Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Shopify product page UX improvements detailed guide. To begin, log in to your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the online store section located in the sidebar. Click on themes to access your current store theme. Find the theme you are using and select customize. Once in the theme editor, locate the product pages section. Review the existing layout options available for your product pages. Consider activating product recommendations to enhance user experience. This option suggests related products, increasing cross-selling opportunities. Next, check the image settings to optimize product images. Select the option to enable zoom functionality on images. This allows customers to view product details more clearly. Now, scroll to the section labeled Product Information. Adjust the layout to highlight key product details, placing the title and price prominently. Enable reviews if not already active to build social proof. Customer reviews can significantly influence purchase decisions. Proceed to the Add to Cart button settings. Ensure the button is prominent and uses a contrasting color for visibility. If you have customizable options, make sure they are easy to navigate. Testing different layouts can improve user engagement. After making changes, preview the product page to assess its appearance. Once satisfied, save your changes to apply them to the live store. Regularly review analytics to see how these improvements affect user behavior. Based on data, consider further adjustments to enhance the shopping experience. Continuously update product pages for seasonal promotions or featured items. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the user experience on your Shopify product pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.